Electric bicycles combine all the advantages of a traditional bicycle with an electric motor that helps the user to travel shorter or longer distances with less effort. These things make biking a more comfortable and smoother experience because you can pedal for hours or climb slopes without breaking a sweat and go faster with less effort. Whether you're looking for an inexpensive e-bike for casual riding or want to upgrade to more advanced trekking models, our selection covers a wide range of options. These are our top 5 picks. Let's go! If you're on the hunt for an affordable yet reliable electric mountain bike in 2024, the Anker Electric Mountain Bike is definitely worth considering. This budget-friendly option from Anker delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. Despite being a basic e-bike made in China, it comes loaded with practical extras like lights, a speaker, and a stand, making it a versatile choice for everyday use. The bike is built with an aluminum alloy frame, handlebars, and wheels, which keep it lightweight and durable. It features 66 centimeters or 26-inch or 70 centimeters or 27.5-inch tires suitable for light off-road trails, though it's not ideal for serious mountain biking enthusiasts due to its limitations under intense pressure. The bike offers 3 levels of pedal assistance and a throttle-only mode, allowing flexibility in various terrains. In terms of performance, this e-bike reaches a decent range and speed with a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, 15 miles per hour, and a range of 25 kilometers or 15 miles. For those opting for the 500-volt model, it achieves up to 35 kilometers per hour or 22 miles per hour, and a 36 kilometer or 22 mile per hour range. This bike is powered by a 36-volt or 8Ah or 40-volt 10Ah lithium-ion battery, which is effective and lightweight. Though the battery is quite visible, it provides ample power for the 250 or 500-volt motor. Battery status is easily monitored on the handlebar display using 5 LED indicators. The Ancheer features mechanical disc brakes on each wheel, which offer significantly better stopping power compared to traditional V-brakes. Though budget constraints mean brakes might squeak occasionally, they're dependable for everyday riding. With an IPX4 rating, the bike is splash resistant and its electrical components are protected from dust. Additional safety features include an LED headlight and reflective strips, ensuring visibility. Riders will find the 66 cm 26-inch or 70 cm 27.5-inch tires comfortable on multiple surfaces, and the front fork's shock absorption adds extra comfort for light off-road paths. Overall, the Ancheer Electric Mountain Bike provides smooth rides and practical features for budget-conscious riders. Good stuff, that's for sure. For anyone in the market for an electric bike that maximizes value for your money, the Hybike Mars Electric Bike is a standout choice for 2024. Perfect for beach outings or quick errands, this bike is particularly ideal for those with limited storage space. The Hybike Mars conveniently folds down to a compact 94 by 38 by 74 centimeters, making it easy to store just about anywhere. Featuring fat tires and front suspension, this e-bike is a breeze to ride on various surfaces like dirt paths, gravel, and paved roads. If your destination involves both a drive and a long walk, the Heybike Mars offers a great solution. It boasts a 500-watt rear motor, typical for a Class 2 e-bike, providing reliable power. The 7-speed gearbox with thumb controls allows for smooth shifting, conserving both rider energy and battery life. When in the right gear, its acceleration is impressive, and it can reach speeds up to 20 miles per hour using just the throttle, making it quick enough for most commutes. For safety, the bike includes a key to activate the battery. While it can be pedaled without the key, engaging the key brings the electric features to life. Just turn the key to its on position, hold the power button on the left handlebar display, and you're ready to roll. The Heybike Mars comes with practical extras that enhance its utility. A sturdy rear rack holds up to 100 pounds, and a bright front light ensures visibility. The front fork suspension, paired with seat post suspension, delivers a smooth and comfortable ride. You could also customize with plenty of upgrades like bags, totes, and baskets. The bike's thick tires are versatile, allowing for rides on nearly any terrain, though it's best suited for short city jaunts or nearby adventures. For the listed price, this is great. Now, if you're looking for an affordable folding e-bike in 2024, the Lectric XP 3.0 could be your ideal pick. Perfect for newbies curious about electric biking for commutes, fitness, or just plain fun, this bike offers impressive value without breaking the bank. Its foldable design makes it easy to stash in an SUV, RV, or most cars, keeping it safe from potential damage while on the go. The XP 3.0 boasts hydraulic brakes, making stops smoother and requiring less effort on your part. With an improved electric motor and a unique system known as the Electric Pedal Assist wattage regulation, this bike delivers power efficiently across its 5 pedal assist modes. Shipped as a Class E2 bike, it caps at 20 miles per hour with pedal assist or throttle use, but you can tweak it to Class 3 to hit speeds up to 28 miles per hour. Easy controls on the left handlebar let you adjust power settings on the central display. As for range, the XP 3.0 can travel between 20 to 45 miles on a full charge of its 48-volt 10.4 Ah lithium-ion battery. For longer rides, you may need to pedal with minimal assist while maintaining moderate speeds of 10 to 15 miles per hour. Charging is straightforward and takes about 5 to 6 hours with the provided 2-amp charger. The bike's compact fold means it won't hog space in your home or vehicle. Its upgraded rear hub motor pumps out 500 watts continuously, peaking at 1,000 watts with 55 newton meters of torque. This extra power helps tackle intersections and steep climbs with ease. Noteworthy are its hydraulic disc brakes with larger 180mm rotors, a rare find at this price point, providing better stopping power and less need for frequent adjustments compared to standard mechanical brakes. Quality stuff! Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now, so make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Up next, introducing the Rad Power Bikes Radster Road, hailed as the top commuter electric bike of 2024. With the Radster Road and Radster Trail, Rad Power Bikes steps into new territory, featuring innovative frame designs and, for the first time, Class 3 e-bikes equipped with torque sensors and vibrant color LCD displays. The battery, although similar in appearance to their previous models, now boasts a larger size and enhanced security features. Rad Power Bikes has broadened its offerings with 2 frame sizes, a standard size for riders between 4'11" and 5 feet 8 inches tall, and a larger option for those 5'7" to 6 foot 4 inches tall. Available in stylish beige, blue, and lunar white, the Radster Road supports up to 320 pounds, is IPX6 rated for water resistance, and weighs 74.2 pounds with the battery installed. Known as one of North America's largest e-bike retailers, Rad Power Bikes offers a reassuring 2-year warranty. One of the Radster Road's standout features is its multifunctional color LCD screen. This easy-to-read display allows riders to switch seamlessly between 4 different class settings and includes RFID security tags, power display, battery percentage, mileage, speed, pedal assist levels, walking mode, and class setting. Its clarity ensures visibility even in bright sunlight. The torque sensor, paired with Class 3 capabilities, delivers a sporty and natural ride. Riders can enjoy throttle control at pedal assist level 0, while higher levels provide a more powerful experience, reaching up to 28 miles per hour at level 5. The Safe Shield battery technology adds a layer of safety, incorporating resin to prevent fire spread between cells. And now, meet the Aventon Adventure 2, crowned the best overall electric bike of 2024, and the winner for today. This rugged e-bike is perfect for those seeking versatility and power. Its design caters to various riding needs, whether you're a hunter moving stealthily or someone looking for a quick getaway. The Adventure 2 offers a top speed of about 32 kilometers per hour with throttle use, and its 4 pedal assist levels, Eco, Tour, Sport, and Turbo, let you choose between conserving battery on long rides or boosting speed for quicker movements. Weighing 77 pounds, this e-bike features a robust aluminum frame that can handle up to 400 pounds, making it a leader in its class. It comes in 2 sizes, accommodating different rider preferences. The powerful 750-watt motor, peaking at 1130 watts, works with a 720 WH battery, providing a range up to 60 miles. With its reliable handling, front suspension, and 4-inch wide tires, the Adventure 2 is ready for diverse terrains. Additional features like fenders, functional taillights, and a companion app elevate its performance. The bike's hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors offer strong stopping power, crucial for managing its weight. The front and rear fenders keep you dry even in wet conditions or when traversing through puddles. Originally set as a Class 2 e-bike, it can be upgraded to Class 3 via the Aventon app, allowing speeds up to 28 miles per hour. The pedal assist, paired with a torque sensor, ensures a powerful ride, effortlessly maintaining top speed in level 4. Assembly is straightforward, with most of the bike pre-assembled and simple steps left to complete. Aventon provides helpful assembly videos for guidance, making it easy for anyone to put together. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.